Welcome, beautiful souls. Ready to embrace the sun with style? Whether you're heading to a beach brunch, a rooftop party, or just enjoying a sunny day, your hair deserves to shine as brightly as you do. Today we're unveiling 6 elegant and trendy hairstyles that are making waves this summer. These looks are not just about fashion, they're about feeling confident, radiant, and ready to conquer the season. So let's dive in and discover the perfect style for you. Number 1, we have the butterfly cut, a style that's as light and airy as its name suggests. This layered look adds volume and movement, creating a soft, feminine silhouette. It's perfect for those with medium to thick hair, offering a fresh and youthful vibe. Achieving the butterfly cut involves strategically placed layers that frame the face and enhance natural texture. It's versatile enough to be worn sleek and polished or tousled for a more relaxed feel. Model styling the hair with a round brush and blow dryer. To style, use a round brush to add volume at the roots, and finish with a light hold hairspray to maintain the movement without stiffness. Number 2, we have the blunt bob, a timeless classic with a modern twist. This cut is characterized by its straight across line, offering a clean and sophisticated look. Whether you opt for a chin length or shoulder grazing bob, this style adds structure and can be customized to suit various face shapes. To style, apply a smoothing serum to damp hair, then flat iron to achieve that sleek, straight finish. It's low maintenance yet high impact. Number 3, the luxe ponytail. Elevate your everyday look with the luxe ponytail. This hairstyle combines elegance with practicality, making it suitable for both casual outings and formal events. Start by teasing the crown for added volume. Then gather the hair into a high ponytail. Wrap a section of hair around the base to conceal the elastic, and secure with a bobby pin. Finish with a shine spray to add luster and tame any flyaways. Number 4, the textured shag. Embrace a bit of edge with the textured shag. This cut features choppy layers and bangs, offering a carefree, rock-chic vibe. Perfect for those with natural waves or curls, the textured shag adds movement and volume without much effort. To style, apply a sea salt spray to damp hair and scrunch to enhance the natural texture. Let it air dry for an effortless, tousled look. Number 5, the romantic updo. Looking for something special? The romantic updo is perfect for weddings, galas, or any occasion where you want to feel extra special. Begin by curling the hair to add volume. Then loosely gather it into a low bun, leaving some strands to frame the face. Secure with bobby pins and finish with a light hold hairspray. Add a decorative hairpin or floral accessory to personalize the look. Number 6, the beachy waves. Last but certainly not least, we have the beachy waves, a laid-back style that's perfect for summer. To achieve this look, curl random sections of hair away from the face, leaving the ends out for a more natural finish. Finish with a texturizing spray to add volume and hold, giving you that just off the beach vibe. There you have it, 6 elegant and trendy hairstyles to rock this summer. If you enjoyed these looks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Stay fabulous and see you next time.